Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in. I'm John Brunner, your go-to real estate professional. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's creating an absolute buzz in the real estate world: navigating a market with low inventory. Whether you're a first-time home buyer feeling a bit lost or a homeowner wondering how to make the most out of this seller's market, this video is for you. We'll be exploring strategies, tips, and insights to help you succeed. And if you appreciate this content, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel for more updates, and sharing this video with others who might benefit from it. Let's begin by unpacking what a low inventory market really means. Imagine a scenario where there's significantly more people looking to buy homes than there are homes available for sale. This imbalance between high demand and low supply often leads to a competitive and fast-moving market environment. Several factors can trigger such a market, including economic shifts such as low interest rates, making borrowing more attractive, demographic trends like a surge in first-time homebuyers, or even geographic desirability pushing certain areas into high demand. It's vital for both buyers and sellers to grasp these dynamics to navigate this market effectively. In a low inventory market, buyers face unique challenges, the most apparent of which is increased competition. This often means multiple buyers are vying for the same property, leading to bidding wars and properties selling for over the asking price. It's not just about higher prices though. The pace of this market also accelerates, requiring quick decisions. For many, this can be so overwhelming. Preparation becomes your best ally in these situations. This includes having your financial arrangements in place, being clear about what you can compromise on, and what's non-negotiable in your future home. It's a market where decisiveness and clarity are rewarded. The key strategy in such a market is getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This step not only demonstrates seriousness to sellers, but also gives you a firm grasp of your budget. Flexibility is another essential strategy. You might need to broaden your search to different neighborhoods or adjust your expectations regarding the size or type of home that you're considering. But perhaps the most crucial factor is partnering with a knowledgeable realtor. A realtor who knows the ins and outs of the market can be invaluable. They can provide instant updates on new listings, advice on making competitive offers, and help you navigate through the complexities of buying in a high demand market. Their expertise can be the difference between securing your dream home and missing out. Now, if you're on the selling side of things, a low inventory market presents significant opportunities. Your property is likely to be in higher demand, potentially attracting multiple offers, and sometimes even getting above your asking price. However, this doesn't mean that you should be complacent. The way that you present and price your home can greatly influence the kind of offers you receive. Properly staging your home, making necessary repairs or improvements, and professional photography can all enhance your property's appeal. And while it might be tempting to set an overly ambitious price, a strategically set price can generate more interest, better offers, and perhaps more money. Making your property stand out in the market is crucial. Minor renovations or home improvements can significantly increase your home's appeal. For instance, updating a kitchen or bathroom, a fresh coat of paint, or even landscaping can make a huge difference. Timing is another critical aspect. Understanding market trends and listing your home when demand is the highest can be extremely beneficial. This is where a skilled realtor comes into play. They can provide market analysis, advice on pricing your home correctly, and implement an effective marketing strategy. Their expertise ensures that you not only sell your home, but do so in a way that maximizes profit in a competitive market. In conclusion, navigating a low inventory market requires a mix of preparation, flexibility, and the right professional guidance. Whether you're buying or selling, I'm here to provide the expertise and support that you need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel for more insights like these. And if you're ready to jump in the market or have any questions at all, please reach out to me, John Brunner. Your real estate journey is my priority, and I'm here to guide you through every step of the way.